Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how to make money online. Whether you're looking for extra cash or found a full-time gig, I've got you covered. First things first, making money online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort, but it's totally doable. From freelancing to content creation, there's something for everyone. Before you start, define your goals. How much do you want to earn? Is this a side hustle or a full-time thing? Knowing your why will keep you motivated. Next, choose a niche or skill you can monetize. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or digital marketing, pick something you enjoy and can offer value in. Once you've got your niche, set up your online presence. Create social media profiles, a website, or join freelancing platforms to reach your audience. Now let's talk monetization. Whether it's freelancing, affiliate marketing, or selling products, choose a method that aligns with your skills and goals. Start small and scale later. Focus on building a loyal audience and improving your skills. Consistency is key, and small efforts over time lead to big results. Finally, stay consistent and keep learning. The online world changes fast, so adapt and grow. Track your progress and don't give up. That's it. You've got a step-by-step guide to making money online. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. See you in the next video.